you guys. So I am about to head into Lidl, and then once I'm done there, I'm going to swing into Aldi. I'll share everything once I get back home. So we'll hop in there real quick, make this short because I don't have much time today. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Guys, so I am back from Lidl and Aldi. So let me show you what I picked up at Lidl first. So I did pick up 2 packs of their bakery style cookies. I got some M&M cookies, and then I got the chocolate chip. Then I picked up 2 containers of Duke's Mayo. They were on sale 2 for $7. And at Lidl, you do need to buy both in order to get the discount, so that's why I got 2 of them. I picked up a pack of these Belgian waffles. These are individually wrapped, so they're great to like take with you on the go. In the morning, if you're running out the door and you don't have time for breakfast, you can grab one of those. I did pick up several butter croissants. I'm going to make some more almond croissants this week, so I picked a few of those up. And then the main reason I came to Lidl is for the coconut milk. I love their coconut milk. It's thick and creamy straight out of the can. It's just great. So I'm going to make some more ice cream in the Ninja Creamy, and then I'll also use it in coffee, and probably to make me a few protein drinks throughout the week. I also picked up some apple juice and a bag of dark brown sugar. It's one of the few stores that actually carries dark brown sugar. And then I also picked up this dark chocolate caramel bar for my daughter to try. She loves generally milk chocolate, sea salt caramel. So I'm going to get all of this put away, and then I will show you what I picked up at Aldi. So at Aldi, I did get 3 dozen eggs. I do have some breakfast sausage and bacon and hash browns left over, so I'm going to use that to make a breakfast casserole for dinner this week. Then I got some strawberry yogurt, picked up some deli rolls because we're also going to do subs for dinner this week. I got some butter lettuce and spring mix. I would have picked up 2 bags of butter lettuce, but it didn't look that good, so I decided to just go with a bag of spring mix. Then I got some mixed vegetables and green beans. I'm going to also make a simple chicken pot pie for dinner. And then they had blueberry pie filling and strawberry pie filling. And I've never seen either one of these at Aldi ever at any point in the year. But also the cans are just super adorable. You totally could put these like out on display. I thought they were just really cute. So I don't really have a need for either one of these, but it's always a good idea to keep these on hand, and you can make a quick dessert, a cobbler or a crisp during the week if you wanted to. Also got some zucchini for a side this week, some tomatoes, and then I got some chocolate dipped granola bars, and then some of just the cherry fruit and grain bars. We haven't had either one of those in a while. And then Aldi always carries, at least mine, the Hearts of Palm noodle varieties, but I've never seen the rice version, and I prefer the rice out of all of them. I can use it for so many different things. So I went ahead and picked up one of those because I think it was only $2.50 a pack, which is a really great price for Hearts of Palm. I picked up 1 container of strawberries because I'm hoping we get to go to the strawberry field and get some fresh ones. So I only got 1 of those. Got a gallon of milk and some heavy cream. Picked up some ground beef because we'll probably do tacos and spaghetti for dinner this week. If not, I'll definitely be having tacos for lunch and bunless burgers. Got some Mooster cheese, provolone, sharp cheddar, some salami and ham, along with some turkey and some sliced mozzarella. That is mostly all for the subs. And then I picked up some thin chicken breasts for the chicken pot pie, and I'll probably just toss some seasoned breasts into the air fryer to have with that zucchini. So that is everything I picked up for the week, and at Aldi we spent right around $82, and at Lidl we spent right around $40. So with that being said, I hope everyone has a great week ahead. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!